Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this live session, we are going to find out some opportunities for a live trading. We are going to do on the live session. So anyone who has joined on the live session right now, so can you please tell me my voice and video clear? Very good morning. So here is a rainy. Okay, so we'll go for finding out of 45 degree and a perfect intraday scalping scanner that we use for our trade today. Let me go for okay. So today market is totally gap up, so more than 300 points. Let me check what will happen on the today's market. Yeah, good morning, Rakesh. Napapu. Good morning. Okay, so let me try. So heavy rain here. All clear. Thank you so much. Think. And yesterday we have some positions. Maybe today it may be going to profit by opening itself. And Canara Bank, which we have done yesterday, that was not working well, and it was triggered stop loss, and then it closed at positive, right? So it was a little bit late today. We have started exactly at the time. Right. You understand? Change login. Most of the stocks may be opening gap up, pre-open. Go to check the pre-open market. The stocks are open with positive. Right. Are there any other stocks to find today? Let me try one by one. Opening today. Check the pre-open. It's almost 244 points. Gap up opening. Almost all the companies, all the stocks are in Nifty 50 is green. And let me go to check the F&O stocks. In F&O, Motherson Sumi is the top one, and Ashok Leyland that we discussed on Ashok Leyland earlier session. Bsoft, Hindu Hotel we are discussing yesterday. Try to buy, but it went higher. So most of the stocks were positive. So let me check what will happen on the live market after the market open. So in F&O, GNFC, Muthoot Finance, and Bata India were the negative stocks right now. It's not a huge negative, so slow. Almost only GNFC having 3.9%, almost 4% down. And remaining stocks are good right now. So let me check what will happen today's scenario and what kind of trade opportunity we can get it today, so that we can see. From that, good. Another 1 minute is there to go open a market. Let me wait for that to open. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and kindly like this video and share to your friends if you liked it. And if any other, good morning, Ananta Narayanan sir. Good morning. Right now, market is at to open right now in another 1 minute. Go to check what's happening here. And most of the stocks were looking good. Adani Ports. Most of the stocks are open positive, right? So 254 points in Nifty, almost 1.3% gap higher opening. And whatever the stocks which we have, everything was positive. Motherson Sumi 3 higher high. Yeah, it is already 3 higher high, and it was moving higher than that. Motherson Sumi that we are checking out. So it is not today. It was previously. It is higher high candle. So 1, 2, 3. The entry got triggered, and Motherson Sumi is about 67. Right now it is opening gap higher, and it was a negative one. And about other stocks, everything is positive today. And something that Bank of Baroda, that is also positive, but still I'm holding in a Bank of Baroda yesterday. and Petronet also be the holding. Eight. What's up? But after opening, it's negative. Nifty also positive. Bank Nifty is greater than 42,000 right now. Yesterday we discussed about that Canara Bank, but it was stop loss it at the 12 and it made 11.7 and then it bounced back to right now somewhere around 17.35. Now it's good. Let's are coming. Okay, wait, what will happen or not? Adani Enterprise, we are holding for a 214. Yeah, I'm on live right now. So live, maybe. Good move. Open positive, so we have to find out the trade opportunities hereafter. So what was the opportunity which we are going to find out? Bank of Baroda. Then there's some stocks which I am focusing for today. Yesterday not able to make a video, and today we will go for what are the stocks which we are going to check. 10th, Godrej Properties is the goods one. Sorry, Lupin. Let me check Lupin what happened. Yesterday it gained good, and will it continues the momentum? Yes, right. From previous close 719, and today is 733. And Motherson also be that good. Downside stocks. Say Arrow Pharma yesterday down and Deepak Nitrite is down. Arrow Pharma slightly open positive. We can try Arrow Pharma, Deepak Nitrite. Deepak Nitrite is a Bollinger Band on lower band. So whenever it crossed above the level of today's high, 2150 above, we can buy for a investment, and there is a gap to fill on that. Arrow Pharma, what is happening on Arrow Pharma? Could be the negative stock, and maybe there's one for a focusing for a selling opportunity in Arrow Pharma. So the first candle is looking like a hammer or doji. So once it is confirmed, so we can try to trade on Arrow Pharma. And then alongside, which we are focusing that one, Lupin and Motherson Sumi both are good by opening itself. Remove this too. And what about Bank Nifty? It's gap higher opening, and it's showing you some negative. And Nifty also gap higher. It's forming a spinning top kind of candle at the top. We wait. Baroda 67. Canara Bank. What is happening on Canara Bank? About 17 now. It's near to the entry point. Let me wait if the momentum or if the movement is continuous in upside. Maybe the chances these are the stocks which will go to move higher. That may be the idea where we are focusing right now. We'll wait for a market is going to settle now. So all are good. Positive opening. At ONGC also going good. Bank Baroda, Canara Bank, everything is positive. Adani Enterprise is around 209. That triggered at 212. To go to positional and made a high today 220. It not moved more than 220, but it was on the same level. We go for a Canara Bank. What is happening on Canara Bank? So everything was forming a positive candle. It's a rejection at the bottom. We find out Lupin. Yep, Arrow Pharma. So the stocks which we are going to focus for trading opportunities from yesterday. Intraday scalper SBI called 𝐂𝐭 𝐿𝐿. The alert got triggered on 𝐿𝐿. So opening gap higher and it started moving down. Maybe the result in 𝐂𝐭 𝐿𝐿 today. So we'll wait for it. All are opening positive. Then whether it is continues the momentum in upside, or it may be reversal. So let's wait and see what will happen. Yeah, good morning, Anand sir. Good morning. Most whatever the points which is increased in Nifty, we can't be able to catch that. Only those who are of positional holding, so they can. But intraday players, they forget about the 270 points, which is increased. But overall market is positive. But intraday traded, we cannot get that premium that increased today. Maybe holding may be possible. And yesterday we did in a Canara Bank some idea, but it was triggers the stop loss, and it made maybe the stop loss hunt is happening, and 11.7 it coming down, and by we trying to make a stop loss at 12 rupees, and it triggers and then closed by 14, and today it's open by gap up. Okay, something happened in market, no problem. The risk which you have to manage, that is what important. And this one is made a high of 168.65. Bank of Baroda, we have the chances it can go up. Let me go for a ONGC that works. It's positive now, but we are talking about ONGC 135 call option, but the entry point is so far high. ONGC 135 call option that we marked already entry, but if it is triggered, so we can go for it, but it is a higher than more than 12 rupees, I think. Let me wait for it. All are opening positive and struggling at this highest level. ONGC is slightly moving higher. Let me wait for what will happen on that. A perfect scanner. So many stocks will be coming into the scanner today because overall market is positive. And as of now, so we are seeing that 45 degree, Lupin, Infosys are the stocks where we are finding out based on the scalping, and Muthoot Finance and Bata India. So overall market is totally positive. So we can focus for positive stocks like Tata Steel, 𝐶𝐶, Lupin. So these are the stocks which is gaining the momentum or the 45 degree. And Lupin looks good compared to previous day and today. Lupin is good right now, 741. So let me check the Lupin chart. And 45 degree, on basis of 45 degree, so it is open positive, and right now 738. So today it started 726. Recent low is 708. So let me try Lupin. Let liquid for options. Lupin 700, 48, 710, 38, 720, 30. Instead of 720, the lot size is 850. Okay, 710 is 40 rupees. 39 to 40. 720 is 31 to 32. And 24. Maybe this should be the good one. So we can buy it right now. 32 rupees. The current price is 32. Okay, so here it's based on 45 degree angle, and also the same stock which is I find out by the scanners by yesterday. So looks good at 42. That would be a best price for Lupin, that option where we can make the stop loss for the trade. At least we can make the day low as a stop loss 24. Maybe 5-7 points is the risk for the trade. If you are ready to take that much of 7-point risk, you can go to focus for the trade. So one trade which we are finding out by based on that 45 degree, that looks good at 32. Lupin. So 720 call, 32 would be good, and we can keep the stop at 24. So almost 8 point we can take a risk. The risk is big, almost 6,000 plus risk. If you are ready to take that risk, you can take, or else you can ignore this trade. And this is the trade which we are finding out based on the 45 degree candle scanner. So right now it is 32. So let me see, this is based on 45 degree. And some other stocks which is coming into this 45 degree is about Infosys. Let me check the Infosys chart. Infosys, what's happening? It's open by gap up. Daily time frame. Daily support yesterday is a positive, and today huge gap up from 511 to 560. So don't go on to take that much of risk, and let me focus for a loop in 720 call. That one we have focused around 32 rupees. Now it is 32.35. There is an opportunity is based on 45-degree angle. Even we can try with the Infosys also and Tata Steel also, but the large size is big on Tata Steel. Let me go to check the Tata Steel, what is happening on Tata Steel. Tata Steel, that is also gap up opening, and it looks like a 3-bar reversal, but at the end of the day only it is confirming whether it is a 3-bar reversal or not. It looks good. So even small investment, small profit kind of trade we can focus. And 1, 2, 3 consecutive higher high comparing to previous day close. And if you are comparing today, it is 1, 2, 3 consecutive higher candle. So even if it is breaks above that first 15 minutes, there is a chances of continuing higher side. It's highly possible on that looping. It depend on 45-degree. So looping and Infosys, even Tata Steel also be there in the list. But its value is less and large size is more. I think 4,000 rupees. Tata Steel, that maybe 3-bar reversal, right? It is closed, but the 3-bar reversal happening at the highest level, maybe the continuations or the reversal, both are possible at this top. But that candle closed by the end of the day, then only the pattern will confirm. What does mean by the 3-bar? That will help you to find out the option positional trades that may be helping you to take a trade. Stock Leyland also open positive. Most of the stock open positive. Nifty is continues the upside. Let me check that Nifty what is happening on the Petronet. M&M yesterday we took, and today it's 32. So but yesterday we closed out. And this one 5 minutes. Nifty is positive after the gap up opening. It continues the high. And let's wait for the next 15 minutes what is happening. And Bank Nifty, let's look at that. It may be open high. And today gap up open high, may have the chances it may go down. So like looks like based on the pattern, it may coming down in Bank Nifty from that level, and this should be the stop loss where we can make. But Nifty is showing a positive, so let me wait what will happen on that stock. That looping is about 31 rupees. By Infosys looping, Tata Steel are 3, and Bata India, Muthoot Finance, BHEL are the stock which we are going to focus for a 45-degree sell. But overall market is positive. Instead of focusing on selling stocks, we can go for a buying stocks. And what about Haro Pharma? That we are focusing for a down. So right now it has increased slightly. Is there any other opportunity for the first 15 minutes? It's not completed yet. And bank also slightly moving down. Yes, after opening big 313, now it is about 309. So big red candle in the first 15 minutes. Let we wait for the confirm. Yeah, maybe Amara Raja, Balram Chini, PNB in ban list, maybe. So don't focus that stock. PNB yesterday it is in the ban. If this two added, Amara Raja, Balram Chini, so leave it. Don't focus for opportunity on those stocks, because we cannot able to buy the stock if it is in ban period. Those who are already holding a positions, they are only allowed to exit from the trade. Now the first 15 minutes is closed. We go for it. 5 minutes time free. Only Tata Communications and 5 minutes time frame. We go to check Tata Communications. Got a big candle. 5 minutes to okay, but we are going to take a huge risk. 1345, 1334, 10 rupees risk. Daily time frame it is already triggered, but wait to check. I think it is in the top instead of buying at the topmost level, so we can wait for it. So better we can wait and we will find some other good opportunity. Advanced looping is 32. So here we find out 1 or 2 trades for our intraday opportunities. Those who are watching here, maybe having some good opportunity where we can take it out from intraday. Just wait, just wait. We'll wait for to find out any new opportunity. And iShares Motor right now it was good. We recently seen IT index. Okay. So iShares Motor, we have for finding out the trade at 206 as a positional, and now it is moving positive from 206. Now it is 232. This was a positional trade. We have taken the entry at this day around 3rd November. After that it's going down 130, and right now it is in the positive. Anyone who are holding that, so there is a chances now it can move up. Let me check the about iShares Motor. No, it is positive. Get it. That is a put option, I think, right? iShares Motor, yeah, it is a put option, so it may be going down. So let's look at that. So it has started moving down. Let me wait for that, and at least we can book some good profit on iShares Motor. That was a trade which we have taken almost 3rd of November, and it is holding till 7-8 days. Yeah, good morning, Leaf SK. Morning, Indo Hotel. Yesterday also we are trying to find Indo Hotel, right? Indo Hotel is positive only, and let's look at that. Oh, what happened? Oh. Maybe the result move. This is a result move. It's open gap here, and it started moving down. Oh my God. From this level. Okay. Yesterday it positive, and from previous close it went higher, and then it started moving down. Okay. What's happening in Ashok Leyland? Ashok Leyland also going down. Ashok Leyland. Oh, 152, 154. Now it is coming down to 147. Maybe the result move. So yesterday also we discussed about Ashok Leyland. And Indo Hotel we can wait for, sir. It's about a result move, so we should wait. But Nifty is positive, but most of the stocks are negative after opening. So another thing is happening here. This one, let's look at that 142, 132, and this looping is about 33 right now. So let me wait for that some more time. Apollo Hospital, what is that? Apollo Tire. We look at that Ashok Leyland. Indo Hotel, it's keep going down. It's based on the result. Don't want to take a risk on the result based stocks. 5 minutes, what's happening? It's keep on going down. Daily it's big down. 15 minutes, let's look at that. There is a big huge down from 335 to 346, almost 12 points. The large size is around 4,200. You don't want to take such a kind of big risk in market. And still it is moving down. Are there any other opportunities? Maybe almost 331 is the recent low. When if it is breaks, we can expect even lower. Almost 1.86% down right now in Indo Hotel. Are there any opportunities? Indo Hotel 332 right now. Put option of 30, about 8.3. You look at that, made a low of 2 rupees and jumps over 8.8 rupees plus, jumping. Okay. Deepak Nitrate, you can go long when only the stock which is breaks above this high. The entry point where we are going to focus in Deepak Nitrate about yesterday's high, it's based on the Bollinger Band concept. Wherever it goes above, we can go to focus above this level only, about 2150. Right now we don't go for a buying opportunity, so the entry point should be 2150. That is what the entry. Whenever it crosses, then only we can go for 2150. So that is what the entry point. Whenever it crossed above, either today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that should be the entry point in Deepak Nitrate. 𝐂𝐮𝐬𝐭𝐨𝐬 consumer product. It was going down. Maybe the Bollinger Band narrowing is happening at this time. Most of the stocks open positive and going negative. Let me check, is there any opportunity on Hindu Hotel? Hotel put option of 330 be ATM. Now it is slightly moving higher. 865, 885, but it forms a huge gap and then it going higher. 𝐂𝐻 is not good for an option. Maybe we going to this is also be again gap up and it's moving higher. So it is over the middle Bollinger Band, that means mean price. So not good for an investment, and it's not good for option trade. And let's look at that. In 15 minutes, the candle would be about to upper Bollinger Band. So maybe the reversal when this one it is breaks, or it may be continuous also. Let me wait. We can see 𝐂𝐻 what is happening. Ashok Leyland also going down. So is there any opportunities where we can find out? Like is that stock is about the hotel. Like Mr. While trying to check other things in Indo Hotel, well, we are checking at about 8 rupees. Now it is 11 rupees. Missed an opportunity while checking other stocks. It's about 8.8, right? But right now it is trading somewhere around 11.3. 4,000 lot that went huge. Indo Hotel. In Ashok Leyland, let me go for Ashok Leyland. It was a great move. To support higher than the upper Bollinger Band, so we'll remove the Bollinger Band right now. Huge move on Indo Hotel. The first trade, oh my god, 326. Almost a huge profit missed out in Indo Hotel options. 330 put option. Oh god, no problem. Go for Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland missed out the opportunity in Indo Hotel. What is that? Slightly increasing. The Ashok Leyland 150 put option. If I'm focusing on 50 put option, what is happening? That huge building long only. That may be good. So kind of scalping one which we can focus for Ashok Leyland too. Ashok Leyland put option of 150. What is the price right now? 4.6 is the current price. And if you want to take the trade, so you can take Ashok Leyland 4.6, but the lot size is around 5,000 rupees, where we can focus for intraday scalping kind of trade. Would be best. But right now, most of the buying is happening on this options. A lot of buying happening on this option. So we maybe try around 4.65 to 4.7 in Ashok Leyland. So another good opportunity in Ashok Leyland, 150 put option. 150 put option. It's currently 4.6 and 4.7. So we can try it at the current market price at 4.7 or 4.6 at Ashok Leyland. So small intraday trade also you can try 150 put options, or you can wait if you are not able to take the risk. Ashok Leyland, yes, we add that Ashok Leyland on watch list. 150, 4.6 is the price, so you can try to take 4.6. Would be the best price at right now, and 4.6 maybe that is the current price, also be the 4.6. The buyer and seller also be the same price. 4.6 should be the good entry point in 𝐿𝐴 line. So let me mark 𝐿𝐴 line entry point. Where is the straight line? Can keep 4.6 should be the good entry point. That is the opportunity. Slightly moving higher, but it will move up because of the premium, and a lot of thing is happening is only buying quantity. So more buy is happening on that. So overall long building on this particular options. You can add this. There is a two opportunity which we are finding out for intraday, and some other trades of Nifty and Bank Nifty open positive. Still Bank Nifty is slightly moving down. So if you want to take on a trade, so 42,500 put. Let's see what is the price of 42,500. The day high. If it breaks above the day high, should be the best, and it is trading around 570. That Bank Nifty 42,500. So we may try to buy this 570 to 580. Okay, so it's depend based on the stock which is open above previous day high, and it forms a gap up, and a technical gap up with the open high in Bank Nifty. There is just chances where we can get a profit on that. Maybe the day low we can keep as a stop loss until the Bank Nifty breaks the today's high. It may be still it continues down to try to fill up the gap, or it trying to fill the gap. So that kind of trade may go up, and let me try the small risk 570 to 580 in Bank Nifty put option of 42,500. Maybe the good chance at this time, but the risk what we can keep is around the 4,500 level, because if it just breaks the level, it may be continue until unless it will trying to fill up this gap. 41,700 may not be happen today, but maybe happen in coming days. But the best options where we can focus in Bank Nifty 42,500 looks good based on the gap up strategy. Bank Nifty 42,500 put option at the current week expiry is about 568 now. So we find that opportunity around 570. Okay, let me look at that what will happen on that. Maybe the small intraday profit where we can finding out. Okay, and that should be the good options for that one. And let's look at that. Lupin is trading on the same level. It went to maximum 33.65 and again coming down. Let me wait. In 𝐿𝐴 line 147, maybe it will coming down. Okay, so some other scanners and screeners which I am using, so that is the reason which I have taken 𝐿𝐴 line. Of them are buying, same like that Hindu hotel we missed out. Start checking that it went higher. 330 put option. Okay, good. Huge move. Now it is slightly going down. Hindu hotel option. It went huge of 11, 12, 13 I think. Oh, great move. 13 rupees where we are focusing at 8 rupees. There was another missed opportunity that went. And Bank Nifty is slightly moving higher, somewhere around 570 to 585. Let me wait. Something happening on chart cover. Long point. We wait. Okay, it's moving good, no problem. Bank Nifty. What about the stock? SBIN. SBIN started gap up and moving down. So let me wait to the third 15 minutes candle how it is confirming. Still now it is going down. So wait for a third 15 minutes candle how it looks like. So there we can focus for a opportunity in intraday. And positional basis what we are focusing, it's like 3 consecutive negative days only, but either open gap down and gap up that is happening, but overall negative And look at this is a spinning top where it is broken the spinning top around 607, and the stop loss would be 622. Until if it is crossed above 622, it can try to reach that level of 596. That gap, there is another unfilled gap is there, State Bank of India. And spinning top at the topmost level, still the top is not broken and the bottom is broken around 607. Maybe it may continues down and try to fill up this level. After filling that, whether it is going down or going up, we can focus with some other logics. This thing again 4.6, and now it is 4.85. That one looping is not moving good, so 29. So let me wait for, and 24 should be the stop. It's stock which is taken by 45-degree angle looping. Let's look at Hindu Hotel on the list. It is moving down and down. After gap up opening, it's continuously keep going down. But we missed an opportunity. Don't go and to buy that option at a even highest price. Ashok Leyland is 5.5 right now. Let me wait. 4.6 is our entry point that we are finding out. To hotel. So let why Ashok Leyland is the option is good for a trade. And let's we go to check 150 put option. And let's see. Overall is positive on the first 15 minutes. Now it's slightly moving higher. Last candle something happening. No changes on right now. But what about Concor? State Bank now that bottom is again broken. So let's look at the positional, not for an intraday. Okay, based on the spinning top that already given you entry at this point on the top level. Again today also it is triggering the same point around 607.35. Maybe good option for a sale at now, or this is what the stop loss 622, or better you can try to buy 620 put option. Maybe good for a State Bank at right now. Maybe if it is triggered about the level, it should be a positive, or else it may be going down. So if you want to take a risk in options, you can try to find out a 620 put option, or if you want to take a trade in futures also at that right now based on this candle spinning top which is forming at the topmost level, and 622.7 is the stop. And let me go for a perfect scalping 15 minutes. Is there any other stocks? Maybe no. Correct. Yes. Why? Because of market is highly positive, and also most of the stock may not continue the trend. It instead of continuing, it is going down. Oh my god, that one is going down and down. That Hindu Hotel. Okay, then other stock Container Corporation Concor, and that is also going down on 15 minutes where we marked the level. I think the high, the day where we are making a sale at 812. Okay, on daily basis, the high, no, it is about very flat at the top level. The consolidation, not moving big anywhere. Okay, after the big chain moved higher and then it is consolidating. Don't go for that stock. And only 2 days is the down by down. Gujarat Gas, Gujarat Gas down by down. So 3 days, not only 3 days. Here is the doji, and then broken down. It's going down 3 consecutive down, but the second candle high is near about the top of the day. So rejection, and today is the result. Maybe wait for Gujarat Gas. After the result, we can try to take any something. Okay, so that is the reason. Gujarat Gas. So we don't have any fine, and that one maybe 325. Ashok Leyland mostly the building up the longs, and 15-minute short. Someone were covering the positions at the 4.85. Other stocks got triggered alert. GNFC about high momentum. The TCS also be high momentum. Mindtree, mighty stocks are having high momentum. Happening on looping. Nothing more based on the 45 degree. We have taken that. Can Bank also coming down. Most of the stocks. because today open positive in Nifty, then it started moving down. Again, Bank Nifty also going down. Slightly increased only, just few more points up to 590. 20 points only increased, and then it returned back to 520. That's happening in Bank Nifty. So it's slightly moving higher. What is the drawback between our trading and options? Maybe they use issues with the time value. Yesterday, most of the people who are taking trades that may be very range bound, and most of the premium is gone. But today, let's look at that after the gap up opening, maybe slightly increasing up and down. It's happening on 𝐼EX. The inside out up right now. In the previous high is the top and never break above 145. If it is breaks above 145, we can expect the stock can reach up to this level of 150. And it is a Arami trade that got bullish Arami. That entry got triggered at this point and 140. Yesterday it's again coming to 140. Now it is 3 rupees higher. That means 2 or 3% higher from the entry. 𝐼EX. Mira. Any stock Ajmira. Today result Mira 72 gap up opening. Maybe the positive result. Even it was trading in the range of 290, somewhere around 244. We will wait for a breakout. If it is about 300 would be good and can see 400 or even higher. But it was looks like a consolidation only. Long term, long back consolidation. But moving good, right? The very range bound from 540 to 240 to 280 levels only. Breakout can be possible about 300. But moving good. Go to equity. Mira. Reality. About HP holdings. HPSL. The stock also looks like the same. No comment on the stock. Most of it is negatives. But not wait for a daily time frame. Let me go for a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame from 7 rupees it went up to 75. That moves good from 2021. How we are looking the stocks. Today's positive gap up. Huge gap, positive almost 18%. So the stock which is trading. Yeah, good morning. Not good. These kind of stocks which we can focus for buying at the lowest level only. Yeah, good morning, Niro sir. Opening in Bank Nifty. Looking good. Ashok Leyland is slightly moving higher. Lupina's good right now. What is about that Ashok Leyland? Ashok Leyland. Maybe good. Ashok Leyland is always good because it's having a lot of huge volume. Vol is not good for an intraday, sir. The option is not liquid on the stock. Options are not liquid. Even futures also are not liquid on this. No view. It's about very flat. Let's look at that. They're trading a long back narrow. So you can expect the breakout kind of trades in whole ball. Not to put. Not good. So this is what the range we can focus. What's happening here? 𝐂𝐿 Mahindra. I think we are seeing last few days someone was asking about 𝐂𝐿 Mahindra. A gap up. So most of the stocks today is gap up opening, right? So we need to wait for that trend should continue or not. That is what the important key in 𝐂𝐿 Mahindra and whatever all the stocks. Most of the stocks were a gap up opening and then it started moving. Someone was asking about 𝐂𝐿 Mahindra 1035 levels, right? Someone who are holding a few days back, they are asking about holding a 𝐂𝐿 Mahindra. At the day it was not moving good. And let's look at that when it is crossed above that level of 1049, 1050 above. He was asking about average that stock, correct? So maybe that is time he was in profit, maybe if he averaged around 1050, right? So the reason to Ashok Leyland, so you are asking a lot of stocks. I am trying to find out a good opportunities, and I will show you have 1100 call in 𝐂𝐿 Mahindra. So now it started moving, so you can wait. Oops. Good opportunity in Ashok Leyland. That one also. Hindu Hotel also be the good, but we missed out while checking other trades. Still it is moving down. Still Hindu Hotel. What's happening on a Hindu Hotel? 30 put option and huge. Again it moving higher. Let's look at that. There is a good opportunities on that. So why the reason for Ashok Leyland and Hindu Hotel may be good, and Ashok Leyland may be 5.15 right now. So 4.6 recommended the entry point, and Lupina is again back to 31. Kotak Bank now 5.25. So good. I mean, moving good. Ashok Leyland. That's good. Okay, good. What will happen in Ashok Leyland? Kotak Bank. The Kotak Bank. So still it's going down. That is the reason. So go to check Hindu Hotel 320. Maybe the result move. So having good opportunities. Still we can try 320 also. Sorry. So it's moving down. 320 put option. What is the price? 7.6, and the previous high about the stock was about 8.15. The lot size is 4,000. So those who are ready to take the risk, you only place the orders. Others don't take the trade, and you just watch and ignore such a kind of trade. I am suggesting that into hotel still just keep on going down, and the third candle is red. Maybe small kind of profit that those who are taken Ashok Leyland. So almost it is 5.25. You can try to book Ashok Leyland. So intraday players, what we are taken. So to watching this video, you can get some profit. And Banknifty also is slightly moving down, but not broken that stop loss and returned back. Now again 580. And Ashok Leyland is currently trading around 535. You can try to book out. And that one, another one, Hindu Hotel, I am trying it for Hindu Hotel 320 put option. Now it is the strike price we are changing. Now ATM 7.5. So let me first add this, and if any opportunity, Ashok Leyland 5.4. Hope you enjoying that 5,000 rupees profit nearby. 4,000 plus. Ashok Leyland, which we are finding the entry, and 2 or 3 times it coming to the 4.6, and now it is simply moving to 5.45. And what's happening now? The third candle also closed in Hindu Hotel. Let's look at that Hindu Hotel. So 5.65 Ashok Leyland. Okay, so looks good. Okay, anyone who are taken, so you can book profits on Hindu Hotel. Sorry, Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland good right now. 5.65 book. 5.6. Oh, while typing itself, it's jumping over. So hope you are enjoying the good profit for that today's intraday trade. But overall market is positive. We are finding out the negative trades. And this one also we can try. Wait at the moment and 5-minute chart. The maximum low is coming down to 6.5. So right now it's 6.95. or 6.9 should be, we can try around now the current price of that Hindu Hotel 320 put option, we can try around 6.9. when it is come back to 6.9, or there is a price rejection at 6.6, but we can try to take the entry around 6.95 if it is coming back to that level. So we can go to try to take a trade in Hindu Hotel 320 put option, not at right now, so we can wait for 6.95. if it is the price triggered at 6.95, we can go for Ashok Leyland maximum made high of 6 rupees than anyone were holding. So right now it is about 6 rupees, sorry 5.6, 1 rupee higher from our entry point, so you can exit out from the trade. And Anant Kumar sir, you are holding a Dixon, I think, so that is why I'm watching the Dixon. Still it is okay, 169, that is not moving well, but slightly positive, and it is continuous the move, so we can wait for it and we can try to exit today. Adani Enterprise, still it is not traded, we recommended 212 and it was on the same level only. Oh, you are the person you are sold at highest level, great, good, very good, we got, okay, good. You're holding, yeah, I know that. So that is why I'm watching that one. So today it's now back to 171. So you can, and anyone who will try, I told you about iShare motor around 206. Now it is 264. Earlier we are discussing about that Ashok Leyland, that iShare motor. It is a put option. Okay. So it is a put option from 206 to 264. It is a positional trade that got triggered on 3rd November. Now almost 7 days is gone. Now it is in profit. So that is what important. That now still it is in profit. You can try to exit if anyone were holding. So hereafter I'm not going to track this. I'm going to remove from my watch list. Well, it started gap up opening and then it started moving down. But it's the overall trend and the bell is positive. But right now, today, I think bell is going down. This one not triggered entry point. So instead of catching that in a higher level, pullback level we can try 6.95 not happen. But still it is in positive only in that one. Even risky taker can take at this moment also 7.4, 7.5 in Hindu Hotel. Why? Because of that is having full buying power in Hindu Hotel put option 320. Almost huge quantity that is buying only on that. So the quick move we can enter and exit from the trade in Hindu Hotel. Okay, but I am waiting for 6.95 to come. Maybe if it does not come, I'm going to ignore the trade. BHEL, yes. Well, BHEL, yeah, from 77, I think 77 it made nearby high today, and it is a gap up opening and also open high. We started moving down. There is a chances, and the result today maybe it going down. Okay, but after long back it is going up and up and up. So let's look at that. I took around 60 rupees this one, but not taken a huge quantity. Only one share I was buying that BHEL for a testing purpose. I can show you that these two stocks I have taken for a buy. I think how I can check that here. 20 rupees profit holding. One is BHEL, another one is BNB. Yeah, you see that. Where I buy just for a study. I buy at 60.9 BHEL, and it was right now 74, almost 21% it increased from that entry, almost 1 month back. And another one PNB, which I taken somewhere around 37, only one share for a study purpose I am doing, and that one share which I bought, not for a profit making, it's about a study something, whether that methods or system is working good or not. So that is the reason I took that around 37, and it's about a 45, 44, 45, and that is also increasing up to 19%. So each stock which we are taken is about I take two stocks for a study, some other methods which I am using. Almost 20% overall, somewhere around 20% plus profit is about. 20 rupees. The maximum investment for the trade is near about 100 rupees only. So if I'm making a 20 rupees profit, it's about a 20% return in a 1 month. But it is a study that I'm doing it right now. So these are the positions which I taken here, and that is going on. So that's why I told you the bell, because I'm tracking it. So that was moving from 60, now it is moving very high to 74, but today recently 77. That is also good. And PNB also same like that I'm taken for a long process, long term. That is also moving good. So from that point of 37 at this moment, I think somewhere here, not here, I think 37 maybe here. So from there it's going up and maximum 46, and then return back to 44. So about a positional, it may be going up. And this one, I think 6.95 got triggered. Is that right? No, about 5 minutes not triggered. Now the 7.3, and 𝐴𝐿𝐴 Leyland is again 5.9. And let's go for any other trades, and that loop in, it's coming back to 31.4. that is also working well, and a loop in also looks good, and that is what another trade in loop in that we are watching. Oh, great move. And let's wait for 6.95. the reason, yes, it's triggered that exact, what is that, 5 minutes. Yeah, this 5 minutes it made a low of 6.95. if anyone who placed about the order around 6.95, it is made a low of 6.6, sorry, 6.9. that entry got triggered, and right now it is 7.1. so anyone who tried to this one as a good opportunity, so maximum trade is in buying on that. So we can keep small stop loss of like here itself also 6.5 also, we can 1 rupee. That may be a great opportunity. Majority of the trades is buying happening on this particular put options. There is a good options, but we missed out earlier, 8 rupees to 12 rupees. That one, another one. So what about any other opportunities? That already we triggered the entry point. So that one, what into hotel, but already earlier entry missed. This is what a second entry. Now it is exactly 6.75 to 320 put option. With the result, you can keep the stop at 680 right now. At this point, 680. Maybe it maximum coming down to 6 rupees, and below that we can keep stop, and until we wait. Small profit that 2000, 3000 rupees, that will be a good in intraday. Now 7.1 completely traded at that point. So everyone who placed the order, you will be getting cleared about your buy positions, because it is what trade. So I will show you that why the reason for this stock is maximum support long only. I think 4,200 is the large size for the stock, right? 1.1, 4,000, sorry, 4,022 rupees, almost 50 paisa in positive. But there is a chances of where we can get 50 paisa to 1 rupee plus on this. And still 𝐴𝐿𝐴 Leyland is breaking the day high. Now it is 6.05. That 150 put option that went higher. That loop in as per the 45-degree angle, still it is trading on the same level of somewhere around Bank of Baroda and Apollo Tires. You can wait, sir. Apollo Tire you can wait. And Bank of Baroda, it's trading on the same level, not a very good move. But after the gap up, most of the stocks is coming down. There is a recovery which is happening on Bank of Baroda, but overall trend for the Bank of Baroda is good, positive. And it is broken that spinning top yesterday, and it may be continuous. The stop would be 152, but you can wait, no problem. Both Bank of Baroda and Apollo Tire. Apollo Tire still you can wait. Apollo Tires, let's look at the Apollo Tire. So still positive, and still it is trading on this candle itself. it will go up. You can wait. Problem. Here motor that already went huge, so I'm going to remove it from the list. I'm not going to watch that up 𝐂𝐵𝐵 motor. I'm going to delete from my watch list. 𝐂𝐵𝐵𝐴 Leyland 6.6 it made a high. Maximum high 6.6 today. This point it is a 1 minute. The high of the day is 6.6. Still at a 6.25. So I'm also going to remove. I hope you all those who are traded on 𝐂𝐵𝐵𝐴 Leyland, you may be exiting out. So I don't want to track again. I'm going to remove it from. And anyone who have taken the individual, right now it is 7.25. The buyer is quoting 7.3 right now. Individual, almost 35 points. 35 paisa. It is about moving higher from our entry point. In bank nifty, those who are taking bank nifty, it was moving 20-30 points, but it is a positional also. You can hold until unless the bank nifty breaks above that stop of 42 that a day high 42,350. We can wait for it. And that option went to 590, again coming down to 560. That recommended we are finding that were 570 to 580. So it is still on same level. Bank of Baroda now it is turned positive. You can wait about to you can wait. That's a good one. Support a positional, it can move. And that one, Dixon, it's slightly moving higher 192. Our entry point is somewhere around 200, and it triggered the 200, and then it returned back to 120, and now it is moving towards 200 plus. That entry I told you told me that you are taken the entry around 200. Maybe today if it is coming to the profit, so we can exit out from the trade. Let's look at the Dixon, what is happening on Dixon. Yes, after two consecutive dojis, that is a inverted hammer and pinning top, that 2 negative days, and it started positive. Let me wait how it is moving. Now still it's about a big bullish candle. Let me see that there is a big bullish candle today, and maybe even it have the chances to continue upside. And you can wait that option. It's about a Marbosu candle, right? It's about a Marbosu, bullish Marbosu kind of candle that forms in Dixon. Okay, so that maybe even it trigger again, it may go higher, the Dixon. And Lupin is still not moved at the same level. Nothing move on that. The same level that Lupin, and the same level around 32 and 32. Let me wait. It's coming under 245 degree scanners, and 10 o'clock. Sorry, 10 o'clock 15 minutes. No stocks will filter. 145 degree. Sorry, 3 consecutive higher candle. No. Let's look at that about that we are discussing about the stock which is, and let's look at that why I'm waiting for that one. And that analysis of that options. From it's a lot of long buildups in individual. Maybe that is my concept where I'm going to hold it right now. The chances may go up into hotel. Maybe the stock, what is happening now? It is moving higher, sir. That one, it's greater than your entry point. So let me wait some more time. So try to book some good profit. It still keep on continues with the Dixon. Still keep on continuing with the bullish mode. So you can wait for a Dixon, and then there's few more points to get profits. Right. About into hotel 710. Okay. 730. So this is the reason for a Hindu hotel. So it is about a Hindu hotel options. It's a real time. Okay. So what is happening here in Hindu hotel from beginning? So it is about Hindu hotel 24th November 320 put option. Strike price is each and every 3 minutes. What is happening on that particular options? The long build up, and overall the build up on the long, the first 15 minutes, and then second 15 minutes you can see only short build up is just 4,000 rupees, 4,000, but here long build up is 2,000, and from that point it went huge, right? And again still the long build up is there, and short build up is very less. So maybe most of the buying is happening on that particular stock. in particular put option. So the reason, that is the reason. So we can wait up to now. Hindu Hotel is 7.9. Anyone who have taken that Hindu Hotel, you can also book some profit without before explaining. It went higher. Instead of anyone who are buying at 7.5 or 6.9, anyone who patiently wait for a 6.9, there is a good opportunities. You can exit from this trade. Now 8.5. Oh my god, 8.5 in the hotel. It's about a real time, so we are not talking about post market, pre market. Real time is now 8.3. It's best time to book your profit in the hotel. Hope you understand. And Lupin, that is also went good, 33. Into hotel you can book now from 6.9 to 8.3. Good. Book 8.45. While typing it's moved, what I am going to do. Invertel good to book right now. The exact buyer is quoting around 8.3 right now. So you can book at 8.3. But what happened in 330 put option? 8 to 13 almost double. Nearby 14, 8 to 14. Okay, you can book out into hotel if anyone who are taken. Right? Or those who are watching, so you may be getting good idea that into hotel options is works good. 9.1. My god, going on in into hotel. Dixon, you can wait some more time, sir, because it is only coming back to the entry price after the 2 consecutive downs that is recovered back. May have the chances it may be going up. Total 9.1, the high. Hope you enjoyed the sessions. But at Indo Hotel it moved higher. Hope you enjoyed that. And Lupin, who have taken 2 rupees, 1600 positive. Almost third trade that got triggered. We can exit from Lupin also. Exit from Lupin for 34. 2 rupees is about 850 lot size to intraday. So maybe 1700 rupees is the profit where we can exit out from 34 rupees at right now. So book all the profits. So something we'll learn after some time. Those who are ready to hold also, you can hold, no problem. But at this time, so we tried it and there is opportunity. It reaches and you can exit out from the trade of into hotel as well as that one Lupin also. 2 rupees where it made in Lupin. Okay, so instead of that tracking this, so we can learn something from this live session, and that is the reason I told you to the exit out into that looping. It's about a 45 degree, even it maybe continues the trend. If you have the time, you can let it run, or else if you have followed that for an intraday trade, you can exit out. Even Ashok Leyland, what is happening on Ashok Leyland? Ashok Leyland about 6.2 still, and this is about 8 rupees, and that move that is happening on that one. So look that in the hotel, that was huge, right? What about Petronet? What's happening Petronet? Petronet is already moved higher. Petronet, and look at that yesterday, long rejection from 218, return back, and may have the chances it may go up to the at least 50% levels. Petronet that we have taken at around 10.7, right? And right now it is trading 6.4. It's about a positional trade, so we have to wait. And that one, so huge buying volume, which is on that particular option of that one Indigo, sorry, Indo Hotel, that has worked well, and Lubin also generated 2 rupees that we are booking out. Someone messaged at IVE, right? What is the stock? You have Polyflips. How you select these stocks? You're buying today or you are holding from? See, it's after clear going down from 500. No move, still going down. With the chances previous support also broken. You know how you are selecting the stock. Are there any other methods? Started from 78, it was okay, but after the big move, it correcting right now. Is there any daily, weekly? Weekly is forming a spinning top at the lowest level. After that low, the previous lowest. For selling, the stock you are talking about for selling. You're not good, sir. This is not a. I don't know how much volume is happening on this stock. The volumeable stock. So instead of selling kind of stocks, better we can avoid. The volume also be very less. So even you can try, even though if you are going to take a trade in selling stocks, you can try to trade in Nifty, Nifty 50 stocks or Nifty 500 stocks or some other stocks. Not good. I'm not any recommendation on this and no view on that stock for selling. But even if you are holding a equity selling, it's risky if you cannot able to hold it also, right? The sudden up and down. So let's look at up down. Not good. Better. So and Bank Nifty is now moving down. Maybe the option which went up to 593. Correct. So from 572 593 and the high is 596. Slightly moving down in Bank Nifty, but Nifty stays on the same level, doesn't move anywhere. Let's look at that Nifty. But instead of Bank Nifty, it's going down. Right, slightly moving down. It's near to the lowest level. Intraday, you can try with the Nifty 50 stocks. Either if you want to sell like Hindu Hotel and Ashok Leyland, we are buying a put option. Correct. So in options, we made some good amount of profit. But the same stocks you can go for selling in options. Let me go for selling in stocks Hindu Hotel. If you are going to sell that Hindu Hotel, somewhere around we seen around 326 level, and maybe it coming down to 4 rupees down, 324. And Ashok Leyland we seen around 145, sorry 149 something, and now it is down 145. Oh no, we are seeing 147. Now 2 rupees down in that Ashok Leyland. You can sell the stock and return back. You can buy it back again. Such a thing you can play for it. What about 41 240, 42 130, Bank Nifty? Until unless it breaks above that 42 350, we can see it is a down. Happening up into hotel again 8.45 after made high of 9.1. That is also good. Into hotel that works well. Line 6.1, 6.3. Okay, no problem. And the next one which we are going to focus here at maybe around 10:45. PEL. PEL also big down after the top it made, and intraday we find, then it recovered very low and reaches very down. So the lot size of Dixon, that is 204. Again it coming down to 185, and it is positive only, so we can wait for it. Okay. 125 quantity. 25. That is 208. So let me wait, sir. That moving good, Dixon. It break the high where it is made 607 with almost 37 points. It moved after that our entry. Let me wait what will happen on that. Are there any other trade opportunities where we can find out? Already good trade we have done in the early morning. Let me wait. Banknifty is around 600. Any futures moving right now? On it. What's happening on it? Nivelato. To remove the volume. So it's recovering. The ANET after making the low, it's slightly recovering. Let me see. Sorry, on 15 minutes. So it's recovering after this low. The stock is recovering, but the stock price is very high. We don't want to take. And Adani port. So right now it is about 907. Yesterday we are watching for Adani ports for a buying opportunity, right? We are taking about 870 or 880 call option that we are focused. Now it is 903, went up to 906. So after the down, slightly recovery from the low. And what are the options which you have focused on Adani? Port 870. Somewhere yesterday we are trying to find on 870 and 880. I think we find now. Yesterday we marked some level. I forgot which option that was. Remote. Yesterday we find out that stock having opportunity but doesn't move well. And Intraday is working good right now. It's moving good. This one does that. And a port not focusing it. And Dixon is right now 220. So even it can go higher. Slightly moving higher because the day fully positive. Some other stocks Dixon also recovering back. Then still it is moving higher. Okay, good. 15 to 20. 20. So you can wait up to about 250 at least minimum. Okay. And Banknifty, so that works good. And the option which we find around 570. Now almost 50 points near about 4614 is the high. So anyone who have taken that in Banknifty, maybe 620 level, you can try to book around 50 points. And those who are a risky taker, you can take the positions. And until unless that high of the day is broken, So at least you can wait for a 250 above, sir. That is right now it is trading around 223.20, and still the stock is positive and it is keep on moving higher. So at least we can make more than 250 level. Okay, so Dixon, at least you can wait up to 250 level. So now it is 224. You can wait more than 250. 250 above. Right now it is 221. You can wait. Dixon, you can wait. Now Banknifty 630. So hope that trade is we find out based on the candlesticks opening, that is gap up opening. So almost 60 points in Banknifty. So anyone who are taken that trade, you can book out a profit. Almost 60 points in Banknifty. Book had at this point. So taken at 570. Now it is about 640. Exit. Risky taker, hold. If we are taking ready to take the risk, hold. So up to 42,350 is the key resistance. Okay, hope you enjoyed this, and you can go to Banknifty 635 and Petronet and Intraday is right now again 9 rupees. Intraday is about 9 rupees, and another one which you are focusing. So still it is a positive only. Intraday is still on positive. Moved higher, don't want to take that level, and should be the good opportunity which we are finding out today. That was worked well. To Petronet, the Bank of Baroda still okay. Apollo Tire, Canara Bank is slightly moving down. Those who are holding as a positional, you know very well about the stop loss. And Dixon also be there around 203.85, and around 1045 we have the stocks. Happening in PEL. Okay, you can wait, sir. We can wait. You want to take 9.7? 9.7. Right now it is trading somewhere around 12 nearby. Yesterday also same low it made, and today it reaches to 18 and then returned back. So today's scenario is totally different. Most of the stocks open gap higher and then it started moving down. So that result you can wait for a 9.7. Okay, sir. We can wait. So the pattern net after this entry point is very flat. But options trading is highly risky, where we are going to take a trade in options. We need to fight with the time value, and that thing you need to remove. We need to understand before placing the orders in options, because options is highly riskier trade. So that we are going to focus for a option trade if you are taking options, and also selecting a strike price is very important for option trade. Selecting ATM, OTM, ITM. Right, so there is a 3 types of that. Whether better is try to take ATM options, sorry, ITM options. ATM is little bit okay, but OTM dangerous. Okay, so that you need to know before taking options trade. Whatever the trade which I am mentioning here is my view, right? So whether you are going to, it's not a compulsion to trade on that. Okay, if you are traded, I can updating the stop loss where we can make. So you need to follow that. Okay, so the risk and reward is depending full of yours, right? So first understand the concepts of trading, and even option is highly risky. So that once you understood, then you can take your own risk from this thing. The 3-4 trades we are finding. Blueprint. It's about 35. So yeah, here intraday trade we have to taken 𝗂𝐵𝗂𝐿 Raja. Blueprint not boom, sir. Boom is means it might be non-stop. Like boom is happening today in Hindu Hotel, where I seen we took around 32, now it is 35. 3 rupees went higher. But Hindu Hotel, let's see. While I'm checking that 8.8, whether I'm confirming whether I'm going to buy or not. That confirmation I do it, and when returned back to that price, it went to 11 and 14. That's a boom. It's non-stop move, right? So it is slowly moving. It's a 45 degree. It is having the slow move. Maybe have the chances it can go higher at 35.2. But even 4 trades which I was finding out, so that was working well and good. Maybe let's see what are the trades which are. Yesterday we lose in Canara Bank, no problem, right? Let's look at that. Today we have taken Ashok Leyland. That has worked well, correct? And this one Hindu Hotel is also moving from 6.9 to 9.1, right? Banknifty 570 to 630, 640, and another one loop in 32 to 35. The risk, if you are ready to take holding the risk, you can continue the trade. Otherwise, you are my followers and you are watching my channel, and if you want to take any trade opportunities, that 1 or 2 I am sharing in the live session. Maybe at least watching this live, so maybe 1,000 rupees you are making a profit is good enough to watch my videos, right? If you like it, you can like and share to your friends to join my channel and watching this live session on daily basis, right? So this is what an opportunity where we can do it in the real time. So not to tell about end of the day this was happened, that was happened. So here we find out here on the live market. The boom. Let's see. Look at this boom of Hindu Hotel. 330 put option. See, 8.8 I'm seeing. And the same 15 minutes candle it went up to 13, 5 rupees, more than 20,000, and suddenly it jumps over 14.85. But Lupin, let's look at that. But Lupin is a 45 degree. It's slowly moving higher and higher. That is happening. We are selecting. Infosys also be there, but I'm not taking Infosys because of a huge gap up. And Lupin is the good one, which is going for right way, 745. Now it is moving good in Lupin. And here in the downside, which I am not focused because of today overall positive market. That's why I'm focusing in a bullish sides. That was happening. That's good. And DLF also joins on the list, but at 9:30 if I'm focusing the stock would be better, and whatever the trades which I'm focusing here, that is giving me a good result. And this is about a PEL from 900 coming to 800, 100 points in 2 days. That we focus somewhere else. Here at 874 it went to 900, then gap down, something up. To avoid such a gap down and gap ups, so that hedging strategy always works better, right? And that other kind of hedging strategy, so we are teaching on our live session. So if you want, you can also join. In 30 minutes also, I'm not expecting any stocks in a perfect scalping scanner today, because of what happened in Tata Communication, which you have seen in early morning. Tata Communications on early morning, which you have seen on the 5 minutes time frame. That's not moved and the risk is big, so that's why I avoided. And previous entry we marked here, not moved good, right? That is why rejected. When the overall market is opening gap higher and moving down, somewhere around Muthoot Finance is slightly moving right now. What is happening on Muthoot Finance? Something recovering from the low that is happening on Muthoot Finance. What's happening? Yes, after the big down, slightly recovering. Maybe we'll wait for it. Slight recovery happening on Muthu. It's slightly moving higher, it's good enough. That one. 35, we already exited from the trade. No problem. Yeah, let's start triggering on Telegram. So those who are following can follow the thing which I have already shared you. Recent videos how to follow that alerts on Telegram. W steels are also moving good. JSW, Jindal, and that one Tata Steel also in the list. What is happening? JSW energy is about a 45-degree. Steel, what happened? Steel is recovering. So after made high 713, made low 700, and it's not good right now because from the top and bottom. So it is what is in the middle, but slowly recovering and daily time frame. And no, it's not good. And here above that high 711 we can focus, and this level we can focus, and so not good right now at the top to buying opportunity where we can wait for a selling opportunity. And someone was asking about SBIN in the early morning. What is happening on SBIN? The about on the same level 704 to 607.75 to now it is 607 and made low somewhere 605. So no move, no big move. Let me wait for a state bank. And JSW we can wait. No trade opportunities at right now. And Jindal Steel, let's look at that. It's recovering back, but due to results don't want to wait. And Tata Steel about 100 rupees right now. That is also 3 bar. It's not yet confirming that 3 bar. Okay, so let me go for Concor. Someone was asking about Concor in the early morning. 680 call. Oh, you took 680 call. Okay, JSW Steel, right? Now slightly moving. Let's wait. I'm going to check and tell you. JSW Steel 680 call option which you are holding. You can wait, but it's not with a good volume, and you can wait. I think it will increase, and not a quick move, but it's slowly moving, and no big volume on that also. JSW 680 call slightly moving higher, so not a good volume, and it should be a positional. Okay, no problem, but it's not liquid right now. 1 hour not happening. 60 minutes. Yeah, it's not with a good volume. Okay, it's going good. Okay, you can wait, sir. It is no volume happening, but a slow move, but it is positive. You are taken a 39. Maybe it is in profit only. Just wait on some more time. Maybe it can generate you the profit. Instead of the option and option price, not with the good volumes, but it's moving good. So let's wait and some more time, and maybe other chances it may be giving you profit. Now the time is 10:45. Is there any 30-minute stock? If no, let's go for a break, and we'll be back in 10-15 minutes. Almost 11 o'clock we will join on the live session. While let me wait for JSW Steel. You can wait right now because it's slightly moving higher, and if you are already holding we can wait, but the new opportunity we cannot, right? So if it is breaks above this level of 716, that's the high which made in the equity, If it is crossed above 716, even better chances to make profit. As of now, the option chain option analysis is still making it long trades, but no, with the no volume, so you can wait for some more time. That should be the best option for JSW still right now. Bank Nifty still it's moving on the same level. That option which you are taken again, it went up to somewhere around 645. Now it is trading 602. That is also we recommended to exit. And Dixon that went higher and returned back to 200 same level, and it went to maximum 224. But it is a positive day. Maybe something is happening. Maybe profit booking is happening. So you can wait for. And that one, someone was asking about Concor in the early morning. That one I'm going to tell you. Concor. After that, the down. Correct. It's slightly recovering. That is my view. I told you. Concor. Now, oh my God. So now Concor. Let's look at that. After a big down in a Concor, there is a 3 consecutive higher bars. It's not about a 3 consecutive higher bars. This low is greater than, so it is not a perfect pattern. But after making a doji, it's slightly taken U-turn, coming down, then straight back. So it's recovering right now in Concor. So that is the result I told you. What is happening in Concor? Buy one share, little possible. I'm going to trade on daily time frame in Concor for the big down, so there is a recovery, but it is slightly going higher only. There is a chances it's coming down. What was that? Let me wait instead of taking at the trade it right now. So we will wait and give me a 10-15 minutes break. I will mute my mic right now. I will be back in 10-15 minutes. Okay, thank you for being with me. And if you have any questions, doubt, just comment on this and give me a 10 minutes. If you want a break, you can take, and I will be back around join around 11:10. So I will be there. So I'll just mute the mic and I am going to complete some other work. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for. I will mute now. Hello, welcome back to the live session right now. So what about 𝐼EX? Let me check about 𝐼EX. Okay. 𝐸X, that we seen 𝐼EX for a positional trade for on breakout, right? 2 days back. Yes, at this level we are trying to buy at 140. Yesterday also we discussed about 𝐼EX to buy 140 because of the Harami candle, and still it is moving good. We are talking about 𝐼EX 4.35 145 call. Maybe you can hold 𝐼EX if it does breaks above this level of 145.5. There is a chances it can go higher. That is looks good 𝐼EX, and based on this pattern we are discussing about buying for a long term around 140 levels, 140.4. That is the level we are waiting for 𝐼EX, and slightly Banknifty is recovered back, and some other stocks slightly moving higher. Those who are going down today, and that back recovered, and 145.55 should be best, and 145 point, and now it is 145.55. That high is broken, so you can wait some more time. That option may go giving you good profit in 𝐼EX. Just like check about 𝐼EX 145 call option. It may be going good. Just 4.7 on 5 minutes time frame. What is happening here? It looks good, and we find out this. No, we are not marking it. So it looks like a 45 degree also in 𝐼EX. So you can wait. You can see around 5.25, 5.35. So at least you can try to book 1 rupee from that your entry point. 𝐼EX looks good right now. Moving good. So let me check that option prices. Will it good for holding now? So it looks good only. So inside out up candlesticks pattern, and 2 consecutive down, and the third one looks green. So looks like a 3 bar also, and it is closed about this pattern is looking like 3 bar, but it is happening at a highest level 3 bar reversal, but it's about a continuation would be possible on the stock, and it forms a bullish Harami at this lowest level. Look at that, that was the recent lowest 133. So our entry is about 140. So maybe another 7 rupees from that point, at least 1:1. So 147 can it reachable? Can reachable 147 rupees. Okay, good only right now 𝐼EX. And let's look at the option prices of 𝐼EX 145 call option 145 𝐼EX today. What is happening on 145 call option? It's mostly long build up compared to NLX, so it's going good. It looks good. 𝐼EX may go up, and look good options 𝐼EX. From the beginning it's going good. Let's go for a 1 hour. So it maybe goes up. Anyone who want to 𝐼EX, you can also try to that. The stop loss 4.5, but instead of that 145, better 140 call option of 𝐼EX should be best for intraday trades. 140. What is the price right now? Maybe 5 rupees above. Oh, it's about 7.8. Higher premium. So may have the chances it may go up from 7.8. That 𝐼EX looks good on 𝐼EX. May go up. 𝐼EX looks good. So good volume happening on that. And also it's going to break out. And Banknifty is slightly going up, and then it returned back, and Lupin also coming down. That one Dixon is the same level of 195 after made 220, again coming down to 180, and it may be going up. 𝐸X, we had that 𝐸X to track 140 145. Watch that. 4.75. It's looking good at right now. IEX. And what are the stocks which is moving out? The HDFC, Idea, RBL Bank are recovering from the low. We go for RBL Bank. What is happening on RBL Bank? 2 days back we done RBL. That was a good move. And look at that. It's exact doji on daily yesterday. And let's look at it. If it is breaks above the doji, may go up. It is on top. Perfect doji is happening at yesterday in IEX. Sorry, RBL Bank. Recovering from the day low. Day low is around 138. Now it is 140 plus. Nifty stays on the 280 points up and the same level after a gap down. There is a positive day. And Banknifty also looks like a gap down. And those who are attended that intraday Banknifty, maybe the yesterday is a buying opportunity. Good opportunity by yesterday and huge gap up today. Maybe those who are taking a positions, the strike price which we are going to focus is somewhere around 41,500. And let's look at that what is happening on 41,500 call option. Banknifty 41,500 call. Look at that. Previous close is about 470 and today it's 800 by opening. 600 and made a high of 800. It's about a strategy which we are doing only in Banknifty. So based on the gap up and gap down. So yesterday is a good opportunity in Banknifty. That works well. Okay, I hope you understand. Those who attend these classes, they maybe understand very well about the Banknifty, how the trade is happening. Another good opportunity. I'm also planning to make a end of the day sessions nearby to find out BTST trades and stocks first tomorrow. That I'm going to plan. So maybe not possible having a full-time live. Maybe we have 2 sessions in the daily basis. First off and second off like that. I'm planning it right now. So maybe we will execute that in coming weeks. That may be good. And a lot of stocks which I find out yesterday that was worked well. And that may be for our positional trade, that like a PTST, STPT kind of trade that we can focus for such a thing. So that may be. Is there any other opportunity happening that Lupin again same price? Tradetron net, Banknifty, Indo Hotel again coming down. This one IAS looks good as of now, 4.75 right now. All build-ups. Are there any other stocks to find out right now? Color after opening gap up, it was very flat. That is what the thing is happening today. That we find some good opportunities in the early, so that was worked well. Apollo Hospital, T-bar reversal bullish. It's happening in Apollo Hospital. Not about 3-bar. No, not about Apollo Hospital. Not about 3-bar. Let's look at this chart. Up and down, rejection, up and down. That's the thing. Better to stay away from the stock. What about JSW Steel? Someone was asking about JSW Steel. JSW. The price 680 in 40. Still it is on the 40 only, not traded well. Let's look at the JSW. Still 680. I think it's not traded well. Let's look at that premium gap. Buying premium and selling premium. So 37.65, 38.8, and the last trade price is 40.1. Not liquid right now. Maybe due to volume. Not liquid right now. Maybe positional we can wait. Any stocks to find right now? Finance slightly recovering, and any stock which is losing its India Mart build up. India Mart, Dixon can also be there for watching Dixon. No good stocks right now. I'm finding it. EX 4.7. We add it into watch list. Danient also not moving well after that big move. Got very flat. Support to support. Danient. Support on the top, and doji at the top. Spinning top at the top. Doji at the top, and negative candle today around 4010. Maybe we'll wait because it has already moved higher. It was in the top level right now. Find any trades. Something stock is triggered on my alert on Telegram. 𝐂𝐻 Limited. 𝐂𝐻 sell per buy. It's opening 𝐂𝐻 Ltd. Slightly moving higher after 2 consecutive days, and it recovered back. Dividend, due to dividend, it gap lower and 2 consecutive lows, and then it moving higher. Let's look at that 𝐂𝐻 trade call option. 2.7. The large size is big, I think. That's the large size of the stock. It's around 8,000 rupees. High lot size. 𝐂𝐻 100 call. The high lot to the 2.75 on the day high right now. Maybe it's a day high broken in 𝐂𝐻. We check what is happening on 𝐂𝐻. 𝐂𝐻 100. Okay. No, it's not good at right now to buy at this level because overall orders build up on that. 𝐶 call option 100. We exited. 4%. Let's check that in 16 minutes. About a flat right now, so not good at this time. 𝐂𝐻. Bank of Baroda on the same. Canara Bank slightly recovered from 13.3. Buying. No stocks, only Tata Communications remaining are safe. That one, Bank of Baroda slightly recovering after the low. We'll wait for that. Is there any other trade opportunity? Can we find out? When recovery, and Banknifty also recovered slightly from the low which made around 42,053. Now it is 42,200, and slightly moving 3 consecutive higher bars. Is happening on HDFC Live. High momentum. We go for HDFC Live, showing high momentum. What is happening? Okay, after 4 consecutive down, that HDFC Live is engulfing all the day. Almost 4 consecutive down and gap up, and still it's moving on top side. 545. So let me check Well, it is good for an option trade. HDFC Life 540. The price is 14 rupees. The lot size is 1100 and 15.2 is the highest level. We go for HDFC. That option is looks good for a buying or not. HDFC Life Insurance 450 540 all option. Not good this moment. Running gap lower. Int. Not right now. Mostly short going on. GNFC, RF Pharma, Divi's Lab, Ramco Cement. These are the stocks losing premium, losing its price. Wait for some other stocks to find out. Pepsi. Resistance. Soglo Island is slightly recovering, right? Over. Yeah, after made the low of 145, now it is slightly recovered. Can Bank is slightly increasing, 14. Good. Dixon is moving down to 172. Okay. Something recover is happening, and Banknifty after this low, it's slightly moving 3 consecutive higher bars. But what we are waiting for the high to key level until the breakout that level, so we can wait for, and it should be the highest level of the Banknifty. We wait for that level to break. A sudden move and then return back same price. It was trading on the same level. Into hotel Petronet or something. Process moving higher and higher. Still looping 740. Good. BHEL and Chamber Fertilizer Federal Bank, the stock which is on 45 degree right now, but always doing the trading on 45 degree earlier of the sessions. That means around 9:30 we can focus the stocks. When the stocks is coming onto the scanner, that should be the best for our trades. That one IEX looks good, as I said. Now it is 4.8 and 4.9. It go to 5.5 or 5.3 in quick session because the volume is good on IEX. Any other stocks to find right now? Long build up, short covers, lot of things going on. Torrent Power, Diamond, slightly recovering. Diamond. After that low, it's recovering back. 5 minutes, slight recovery. $4,795, 786. But after move, very slow on the market, right? So while we are doing the trades, so gap up and gap down, you have to very careful. So most of the move will it has happened in gap up and gap down itself. No opportunities right now, and it's now slowly moving. And let me look at that what is happening on the trade which you have done, Tradetron. It's a robo trade, and it's the day 3 selling options at 9:30 with a 30% stop loss for each leg. In 400 rupees, it's moving positive. The time value decay and 40,000, 42, 200 call and put it taken for a trade early morning, and still it is running with a 460 rupees profit. Okay, it's about day number 3. So that is also working well, and daily making some small profit of 0.5% to 1%. About bank nifty options selling on daily basis around 9:30. So keeping a stop loss of 30% from each leg, whatever the trade which you are taken. So making a 30% from your sell entry point. That will be doing on the algo trade basis on Tradetron. That may be running 380, and it should be waiting. The exit time is around 310. Wait, what will happen on that on end of the day? Maybe. We are currently running with 400 rupees profit. The selling options, that always, because to get the time value as a benefit, as time value as a profit by using this strategy, I made good for daily trades, like selling a call and put both together in algorithmic or robotic mode. So maybe good for trades. That one recovered 4,800 right now. Okay, good. This one is good, and now 4.85, so it may be going up. And there any other? And Apollo Hospital is nearby 15. Oh, good. What is happening on Apollo Tire? That is also recovering from the low after made this high, then returned back, and now it has started moving higher, and it's going to break the day high is around 298. Now it is 298.3. Let's go higher in daily time frame. Got that. After that, maybe hammer that recovering from the low. So maybe we are waiting for it. Apollo Tire. Now it is 15, 14 point right, 14.9 to 15 right now. And are there any opportunities? Not a good liquid, but it's slightly moving higher. Are there any other opportunities can we find out? If you have any other stocks also, you can message me, we can go for it. Now 15 Apollo Hospital, sorry, Apollo Tire. Banknifty slightly recovering up. Are there any changes? And that one, VEDL is slightly moving higher. Check what happened in VEDL. There is a doji after a big down this level and slightly recovering. What is the price above 314.8, 315? Let me go to check VEDL options. 10 or 300. VEDL 300 call option. So I'm going to check that call option of VEDL on right now. What is happening here? Not good right now. Something happening on a scalping. Olaf and India Mart. India Mart, which you have seen now, slightly moving higher. It's recovered back. Yeah, 828. Which I am focusing at this level of 400 and 4,790. Now it is almost 30 points back. Recovered. Tata Motors. Tata Motors, what is happening on Tata Motor? Oh, good. After the gap down, so this is also moving higher. I think that Tata Motor got triggered on my Telegram channel, somewhere else. But now it is moving higher than Tata Motors. Maybe it triggered my alerts funding out. Not triggered on alert. Good. Yeah, 5%. Now moving good. In 15 minutes, again 3 consecutive on the day high. Daily time frame. So after the gap is trying to fill the gap. If it is filling the gap, we can see, but it is already moved max and wait. Apollo tire slightly moving higher. Now it is 15 rupees and it was a good ride now. Apollo tire and all the steels are like a Jindal and JSW are moving well. What's happening on that one is going up. What's happening on UPL. Daily time frame. At this level around 750 it went up. Reliance Reliance we few days back we seen around 2600 level to buy. What is happening on that? Still it is on the same level. We are finding the Reliance around this level 2600. The 4 days it is on the top. It is not moving yet by based on this pattern. Live trades and then it moves only 622. Still it is very flat and 3 consecutive red candles, but even one day gap lower, one day gap higher in the Reliance. Let me wait, but already entry got triggered 2600. The stop loss we are keeping the Reliance is 2500 as a positional trade that we are waiting for. right? VDL also, VDL, Reliance right now, no intraday opportunity, sir. It's a delivery only. You can try to take. In intraday, I don't want to take Reliance. Okay, so we can go for buying long term. That kind of thing which can focus. Let's look at that market status. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Nakuri, go force entry LTI. So most of the IT stocks are positive now. Put side, not going to take a put side, sir. It is a positive only on a daily time frame. And around I taken a 2600 level to buy. But right now it is trading 2592. So not good to take a put options at right now. So we need to take if the put options should be high volume, and then we can go for that kind of stocks. Aarti Industries. After a gap down, Aarti Industries, after a gap down, slowly recovering. But thus, from there, it started moving higher. Think it's about daily time frame. Aarti Industries. And now Aarti Industries maybe tomorrow resell, and it forming a bullish arami. And after this gap down, and then it started recovering back from that 682 to 740. And there is an opportunity if the stocks remain same for today, maybe it is a bullish arami kind of candle which is present on the stock, we can go for a buy above that level. But until today end only, we are going to confirm. And today is not a big move, but yesterday is the big move, and today is a very narrow and inside between the previous day candle. So not good for an intraday, but we can wait for 𝐿𝐴 only the top one, but we seen in the early morning, but we are not taken out. Almost a PSU bank PNB slightly performing well. Yesterday we find out PNB, and today it well, and it is in a ban period, so why we are rejected. Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda slightly moving higher. Happening in Nifty. Nifty on the same level, it's not moving well, around 18,315. IEX is right now 4.9, slowly it increasing on 15 minutes. Maybe it will, and let's look at that 45 degree move on 15 minutes from 2.5 to 4.9 in IEX. That was going good. Apollo Hospital. Not suggesting you any Apollo Hospital, right? Apollo Hospital. Not good right now. So what you have entered, sir, in Apollo Hospital? Already recovering back, but no, not seen any good opportunity. Not seen any good. Yes, sir. It's about a 3 bar bullish. 3 bar bullish. Where you find it's a 15 minutes. That got it maybe stop loss triggered, you can exit out from the trade. Hey, look at first of all daily, we can see the charts how it is looks like. If daily is good, so we can go for intraday. If daily is not good, why we are going to take an intraday trade. That's important, right? You should understand in what is the thing. Daily time frame, if you are taken, you should wait now, sir. In daily time frame, where it is Apollo Hospital 3 bar. Not about 3 bar reversal, sir. Maybe good at this point it is triggered, that may be good because of inverted hammer. But inverted hammer, it happened at the highest level, should be the reversal, and the possible reversal should be good, right? At lowest level, but you are buying the stock at lowest level, slightly moving higher. What was the price? Maybe 4,360, 4,400. The day high it made huge. Better you can wait, sir. If you are taking a positional basis, better you can wait. Better you can wait in Apollo Hospital. On 4.95. That one. You are waiting for Apollo Hospital. It looks good right now. So what you can go for Apollo Hospital? You can try to take that one above 4437. What is the current price? Maybe good, and that's it. You can wait up to that level if 4362 got triggered. So that good one, Apollo Hospital, that you can wait for. Apollo Hospital. What is about Apollo Hospital future? The current price is 4476. Okay, 4360. So you can wait, sir. Apollo Hospital, not a confirming one. So you can wait, but it was looks good only. Just opening in ABFRL. Yeah, positionally you wait, sir. But let's look at the first of all with the volume. Thank you. It's opening on ABFRL. So look at this stock. After making a huge low, at this time it is forming a hammer at the bottom. So maybe it broken that hammer. A good opportunity. Currently 318. Okay, so at this time it looks good, and right now got it. So ABFRL, it's good. From that level of 350, now it is 340, so it is looking good, and 310 call option we can focus. And let me look at that ABFRL 310 call option. It's worth it to buy right now. ABFRL 310 call option right now almost build up. Okay, it's good. A 310 call option we can focus for. That opportunity, and it's a positional stock. Those who are waiting for. So at this level, you can buy at the current level 318, and we can keep the stop loss below 305. Should be the best opportunity for a ABFRL to buy at this level, and looks good after a big correction. So we are trying to buy at a low level, and let me go to check ABFRL 310 call option. Not for an intraday. You should keep as a positional trade. Right now 2600, the current price is 13, and the options volumes also be good on a BFRL, but even be good at this time. So the day low is about 9.9. We can take this also be a trade, which is good at this point of time. 315.8, so looking good at that ABFRL. So maybe waiting for a positional kind of trade in ABFRL. M&M good result. First we will for complete that ABFRL. This point. $315. The options. ABFRL 310 call option. May be good, and it is also moving higher in the 15 minutes time frame, 3 consecutive higher at this time. 12.5, now it is 13.5. Looks good. Maybe we are going to focus this around the current prices of 13.5, or if it is coming back 12.5 up to 12.5, we can try. M&M good results. M&M, what is happening on M&M? There is no movement on the stock. We recover. Today it's down. Go to check the M&M. The doji now. So we'll wait. Even the result is announced, it may be a good or bad, but still it is something about doji. There is no confirmations from buyers and sellers. They are waiting it for. So if any movement will happen, so we can try it which side it is. But as of now, today is a very flat or doji. Now we can wait for it. Okay, Nirav sir, you have taken 310. It's not an intraday, sir. We can wait for a positional because investment kind of trade that we are taken. So even you can wait, and we will try to book profits. Something has happened, and now it is making a doji, and now it is moving slow hammer. We will wait. Is there anything happen in this stock? So let me go for it on a daily time frame. We'll add ABFRL is 13.5, but it is not traded. It's about a 1 minute's time. In 15 minutes, it looks good, and recent high is 14.5. May have to break. So let me wait for a ABFRL. Now it is 13.15. Yes, positional. Yes, you're right. So we are buying the stock at very lowest level for investment purpose, like that. We are planning for the trades. That should be the opportunity. That one went to 4.95 and now it returned back to 4.7. That one, IEX. The M&M, the result may be good, but still no movement happening on the stock right now. About after a down, big down, so we are trying to buy the stock at bottom. So that is the concept which we applied, forming a doji, and also some movement is there. That's the reason we are trying to take that ABFR. It looks good at the bottom. We tried some put option on that also, right? 330 put option, something we are taken ABFR. Look at that, what will happen. Happening in Adani ports, Adani port. Okay, after that, we have taken a lot of positions. And right now it is very slow. ABFRL, it's a positional which you are taken. That one is about 310 call option. After the big drop, we are going to focus ABFRL 310 call option. Right now, trading 13.5. No, wait. No, for EX, just wait. So someone who are taken already positions, that's why we recommend something. It may be near about 5 rupees, but again it coming down to 4.6. So let we wait. No, don't want to make a new position in IEX. It moved to 4.95 and returned back, but he was taken around 4.35. Maybe he booking the profit also. We don't know, right? No, 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 right now. Wait. Banknifty moving higher. Banking stocks not moving higher. Happened to that Petronet. Yeah, it is all-time high. both in Banknifty all-time high. So the reason gap up today and it is trading at the all-time high. So we should wait and don't want to take huge risk on that. If you want to buy, wait for it. It will be come back and then we can buy. So don't want to buy at the highest level of the day or highest level of the month. So we need to wait. If you are having a plan to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we can wait right now. Opening something happened. Let's Bank Nifty something alerts in 5 minutes. 5 minutes moving, recovering after that. So until wait up to that level to break 351. So right now it is nearby 295. But it breaks above 351, we can go for it. Slightly moving higher in Bank Nifty. No will it support for a Canara Bank. We wait and watch. After a long bank, Indian model coming to the same price. We already booked, so leave it. We'll remove from that. So no move, maybe recovery. Slowly going up to Bank Nifty 42,320 now. Right, moving up, will it help for a Canara Bank to move? And ABFRL 13.3 right now, but we can wait. It is a positional trade. Maybe 1 or 2 rupees if you get this trade by intraday, so you can exit out from the trade. That should be best. And it's a slow move, and I have also some works. I'm planning to this session and this live session in 2 different ways. Look at that, what is happening here today. Okay, good. If it is trigger a Bank Nifty, even it can go higher. The check-ins second time that on total coming to the same price of 6.9 and now to 7.5, and I'm going to remove from the list. And Ashok Leyland that coming down 4.8, I'm also removed that. Adani is about 200, that Dixon is about 178, Apollo Hospital is 13.70, and it reaches nearby 15 and then return back to 14. This one we can wait. Petronet about 7 rupees, we can wait for the Petronet also. Some other to find out. Banknifty, something happening on Banknifty, 3 consecutive higher high bars in 5 minutes. But it need to break that level. So if it is breaks, so we can see expect something by higher. But if you are taking that level is 30 and the stop would be 230, 100 points. So let me wait to break the level, whether it is continues or not. That one 7 rupees. Banknifty. A good move. Will it move higher then it can break? Not moving well. That was a good opportunity. That 13.5, 88.7 Petronet, slightly moving higher. Lupin again 34, and we are going to remove Lupin. Banknifty, sorry, Bank of Baroda, just trading at the same level. These two are on the top, just trading at the same. So let me better wind up this session. And Monday we will plan a 2 sessions, first for live trades and second for a BTST, STBT kind of trades. And that I'm planning, and I will update you the timing, so how we can do that. Instead of speaking almost 6 hours, it's not good for my health. Okay, better to plan some good ideas. You want to find any other trade opportunities? No. So we will wind up this session by 12:15. Okay, 12:15 we can wind up. And these positions which you are taken, ABFRL, you can wait. Yeah, Simons. Yes, tell me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. 𝐶𝐬𝐻. And IEX, Banknifty, Petronet, Bank of Baroda. Everything is flat after that big huge gap up. Yes. I believe few stocks still looping in the list. Infosys also be in the list. And Tata Steel slightly coming up from 107 to 108. No big move. Only Bank Nifty breaks above 42,350. We can expect upside until it will look like that range bound. And Nifty is still positive and very flat. Adani ain't still on. So Adani ain't on the daily time frame, which looks good, but it's not broken that high recent highs. Adani Enterprise. Maybe if it is in today is a very flat, but it is any chances if it is crossed above 4068, 4688. So maybe it will go up in that one, Adani Enterprise. If that is crossed above Adani end, go to 4065. Now it is the highest 4048, but it's crossed above 4068. Even we can see the big movement on that 4040. Slightly moving down. Happened to Apollo Hospital. Rejected back. Huge rejection. 4440 something and rejected back. We are better to avoid such result trades. Maybe what happened will we don't know. Certain things suddenly it can happen. Down. See. Till if it is breaks above 42,350, we can expect bullish in Bank Nifty. Four thousand 42,304, and all are looking slow right now at this time. So we can wait for some more time to get some good opportunities. Or we will wind up the session today, and from Monday onwards we can keep that evening finding out the BTST, STBT kind of trades also around the two. Just plan and then I'll let you know on my channel. And I hope this may be a good session. Those who are joined earlier, having some trade opportunities which we are finding out that was worked well, and that is about the day. So once make profit, then we can exit out from the day. That should be the best options. Some stocks which I find out, TFC Trent is slightly moving higher. Trent slightly moving higher. We are recovering after the low. It's about from the bottom. It's recovering right now. Okay. This is what a huge rejection in Apollo Hospital. That is the reason. Not good. As you take, you can wait only to this low, day low. Jackpot. Happening and that one. And the same price of 13.15 𝐴𝐵FRL. You got it's a positional trade, you can keep carry, and if you have any chances you can get 2 rupees more than that in intraday, you can exit out from the trade. Nirav sir, you have taken that one. Retain call 𝐴𝐵FRL. It's a positional one, and investment also looks good at that bottom on the stock. The short term holding like 10 days, such a thing it's possible on the stock. Hope you understand. The today trade is going good, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and share to your friends, and just hit the like button. So if you like this video, and you can share this video to your friends and to join the channel. If you have any suggestion about this session, you can suggest. If you have any suggestion for this live session to how to improve this live session, maybe helping for me. I hope you enjoyed this live session, and if you have any questions, you can ask. Those who are holding the positions, Nirav sir, you can keep wait for 𝐵FRL, it's a positional trade, and IEX, those who are taken, I don't know, no update from them, so it went up to 4.95, whether he holding or not. If he holding, so you can keep the stop loss 3.4 and world. And Banknifty still again it's moving towards the high, but it's not broken. That is the reason we are not taking any position on Banknifty. And Nifty is very flat after opening 280 points. It was still 280 points. No other big movements in Nifty. And some other stock, Canara Bank, we are holding, and Adani Ent is the same level. And some other stocks are better on it, still at 7 rupees. I hope you got the clear about. If you want any, let message here. And we'll wind up this around 12:15. So thank you for being with me, and I'm going to wind up this session right now. So hope we got enough profit. Yesterday we don't have a good profit, but today overall go to trades, we find out in the real-time market. And thank you for watching this, and keep hit the subscribe button and like button also, and share to your friends. Thanks to all. It was a good day to all. It's a great day today. Thank you so much. Thanks to you all. So I'm going to wind up this session right now. Thank you so much. Hope you are doing a great weekend. And Nirav sir, you can keep questions. No problem for 𝐴𝐵FRL. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. And we'll see you on Monday on the live session. Thanks for watching this, and thank you so much. I'm going to end now the live stream. Thank you.